trash talker, to say the least. Nice up superhuman forces, but no way. Oh no! Oh boy! Here we are, Lucha Libre in the park. One of the most impressive deep lineups of action ever experienced here in this promotion's history. We start off with Motivation Mike going head-to-head against the Hood Rat Thundercat, Adonis Allen. Both trying to go for a hammerlock.
I'll beat you like your parents should.
Quick pinning attempt there. Executed by Adonis Allen, but only a 1 count.
That's a lot of the Lord.
Snapping takeover. Adonis Allen with awesome speed. Great conditioning in that ring. Trying to get the win quickly is Allen on Motivation Mike.
You got this, Mike.
Phenomenal agility
Come on.
for the Thunder and Lightning. Very flashy offense as well. Nice spinning head scissors takeover. This guy likes to make a scene real quick in this series. He wants to win quick and make that money as the cartwheel backwards splash in the corner was successful. And there's the Bulldog and Motivation Mike. Probably seeing 10 of everything. You might be counting sheep. Big cartwheel splash. And a 2 count only. Motivation Mike, very brilliant, but he's a master manipulator, a motivator, and a liar. He even has infomercials out there that will put anybody to sleep. Monotone delivery, can't be trusted. But he's very persuasive in the way that he does his walking and talking and brainwashing. A very evil, maniacal trash talker, to say the least. Nice double team offense, the inverted atomic drop and the drop kick at the same time. Nearly at the same time, enough for Kid Lad to score the win. It's the Lightning Kid, Kid Lad, one of the most spectacular of the stars here in the entire Wrestling in the Park series. With a Hurricane Rana putting down Motivation Mike off of his feet. The run and gun offense is simply unbelievable. Kid Lad will put up the pressure on his opponents when you least expect it. And Mugsy James bickering and complaining to Motivation Mike about the situation at hand. Oh, flying body attack to Mugsy James, wiping him out. Adonis Allen off the top. Oh my! Flying forearm. Nicely done. Thunder and Lightning off to a great start.
Like that. Lightning kick. Victor kick.
Thunder and Lightning. Oh, Mugsy James, the biggest man in this match by far, with a crushing right hand to the rib cage before sending Kid Lad into that steel ring post on the far side. I think that Mugsy James is about to make this situation very real. Oh no. Oh, this is borderline child abuse. You can't allow this, ref. Come on. 2-on-1 against Kid Lat. How is this fair? Kid Lat trying to shake the cranium of, has his cranium rocked rather by Motivation Mike right there. Mugsy James with a team of hard-hitting street thugs and misfits. A great striker, powerhouse style, awesome brawler, a bully, very physical in the ring, has dealt with the hardcore elements, very aggressive, lots of strength. He has that intimidation factor as well, in your face. Oh, forget about it. Mugsy James just walked away from Kid Lat's flying crossbody press. And the anger and the fury by one Mugsy James is about to be permanent here at the Wrestling in the Park series at any moment. Look at Mugsy stand over his victim right there. Mugsy trying to prevent Kid Lat from getting up and seeing anything. And with one arm, Lance, Kid Lat with a scoop slam. The Hood Rat Thundercat trying desperately to reach in the ring to make a tag, but Kid Lat, he's trapped. He's in a vice here with no escape. Kid Lat trying desperately to use superhuman forces, but no way. That explosive clothesline from a very short distance is what brings Mugsy James as one of the most fierce competitors in the entire history of this event. You know, anytime Mugsy James hits you, it looks like he is crushing people. Backdrop suplex by Motivation Mike, who he himself has very impressive deceptive strength. He can pick up and throw people anywhere he wants to. Yeah, he's got the khakis on and the polo shirt. We all know he's going to go to work afterwards and try to convince more people of his taglines and try to sell more products and make commissions. You know what he's about. He's just taking a break. He's taking a lunch break. He's just beating people up just for his own amusement. What was a very impressive, very loud, very vocal, very exciting crowd has been distinguished by the likes of Mugsy James and Motivation Mike right here. The moment Kid Lat went into that neutral corner, he collapsed, and the fans showing a lot of concern for the fallen in the ring.
Go, Kid Lat!
It's a scary situation when you see a young man like this being beaten down and just physically thrown around, manipulated, twisted, turned. It's almost unfair. Mugsy just toying with Kid Lat, not allowing him to make the tag, and stepped all over him. And Mugsy James, up and around the 260-pound mark, I mean, that could crush bones. I mean, that could crush organs. That could crush muscles and tissues and cartilage. And Motivation Mike just draping the front of his right shin across the back and neck of Kid Lat as he is choked upon that bottom rope. And Motivation Mike again, raining elbow upon elbow on the fallen. Last year, Kid Lat, Adonis Allen, they were able to win a six-man tag that I think caused this entire park to nearly flip upside down with all the excitement that existed here. Motivation Mike says, not this year. This is our year of shine. Devastating suplex. That shook the ring. And you could see the pain etched across the face of Kid Lat. It is noticeable. Look at that! Sunset flip flop out of nowhere! Oh, come on. 2 count only. Lucha in the Park, Wrestling in the Park series. 9th annual live event. Great crowd has assembled to see awesome Lucha Libre today. Tag has been made. Motivation Mike. Oh, he invited Adonis Allen to get in the ring. And he's legal. And he's fresh. Pulls line. Spin kick. Adonis Allen, 1 step ahead. High flying cross body press. Kid Lat trying to recover quickly. Sunset flip attempt. Motivation Mike hanging on.
I got you, Lat.
Oh! Adonis Allen just sprung Kid Lat's head between the legs of Motivation Mike. And now Motivation Mike's got discounts for sale. Mugsy's back. Oh my! Knockout kick by Mugsy to Mike. Oh my! Double team drop kick. Down goes Mugsy James to the outside. Baseball slide drop kick puts Mugsy James on the ground on the outside. Motivation Mike trying to steal this. Quick roll up. That's it. Kid Lat, Adonis Allen, thundering lightning have won it at the end. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the winners of this tag team contest. The Hood Rat Thundercat, Adonis Allen, the Lightning Kid, Kid Lat, Thunder and Lightning. Mugsy James with a stunner, followed by Kid Lat's revolutionary kick. Will Adonis Allen go for the frog splash? Yes, he did.